Hey, I'd like to remind you how to sign up for a group. This is not your course, it's just a test course I have. But in your course, you will see people here on the course menu. Click on that. And then you will see everybody in your class, but you'll also see a groups tab. And if you take a look at that, you'll see whatever projects. You can scroll down if there are 2 projects in your class. So you can see the individual project, then you might see a group project after that. So all you have to do to join a group is click on join. And so I've just joined this group, and if you can see that these are these people, I'm this sociologist Judith Stacy, and you can see I'm in a group with Harriet and Jane. I can also leave a group and join another group. Now this group is locked, so this group is full. I cannot join this group. Once I've joined a group, I can visit my group page and I can set up all kinds of information for my group. So I can set up a discussion forum, I can send announcements to the people in my group, I can set up collaborative documents, so I can set up a Google Doc, and if I read that, I can go through and set up a Google Doc. I will have to have a Gmail account, but I can set up a Google Doc. And then I can also email my group. So if I go to the inbox, I can send an email to my group. I can compose a new message, and then I choose whatever class it is. In this class, it's this test class. And then I can send something to my whole entire group. So I can send something to email and Judith. That's me. I'm Judith in this case. I can type a subject here. So project for sociology class, and then I can type a message, whatever I want to say, to send this message to Emil, and I can click send and it will go off to Emil. So I can always take a look over here at groups, and I can take a look at my group that I'm in. You are probably in a group project as well as you have an individual project. And sometimes those individual projects will appear in your group's menu. For example, in my intro class, you have to choose which individual project you're doing, and so that will be listed here as well. You could email everybody in that same project even though you're working on that alone. But you could have conversations with people who are doing the same project as you. So don't forget to stay on top of your groups. You can see when people leave your group. In most cases, there will be more than 2 people in a group at the start of a project. But you can see if someone's dropped the class. So maybe that's why that person is not contacting you. So stay on top of your projects and let me know if you have any questions.